Okay, I want to tell you something. There are two birds, Those birds are making nest in the balcony. I will show you where. Look at the bird. One is there, over there, in the wire. Yeah, this is one. Both of them were here only, but where is another one? Let me check out. This is one, and another one has gone to collect some straws or something like this, maybe. Means some kind of stuffs to build the nest. Not pigeon, actually this kind of bird. This is. Look, I will show you where they are making the nest. This is the place where they are making the nest. Look at that. They have collected that. Actually, I kept that box a long back for the pigeons, because there are lots of pigeons and they don't have any place to lay eggs or to create make nest. So for the pigeons, I just kept that box over there. There is one more box, as you can see over there. I kept a long back ago, like maybe 6-7 months ago, or more than that, just for the pigeons, so that the pigeon can come. Okay, I have to go inside because that bird is bringing that things to build up in her mouth. Oh my god, look at that. I will show you. Look, the stuffs in her mouth. There are lots of haze, a kind of haze or some dust, from the tree leaves or some kind of stuffs, coconut shell or something like that. She's coming. Okay, look. Okay. Look at that. Okay, I have to go back inside. She's getting scared. Look at that. She'll come. Wait, I will just show you. I will hide myself. I'll close the door better, and I will show you from the window. Yes, from the window it's visible. Look. She came over here. And this is another one. He has also come and he has also brought that one, that coconut shell actually. They're building the nest. Look at that. Okay, I'll hide myself. It's better. And they're playing over here. Look at them. These people are playing. Okay, look at that. That bird is there. I must hide myself. Yes. Hey, no. Oh my god. Hey, no. Oh, they're scaring the birds. Do not scare. Hey, come on. God. Hey. Come this side. Oh, do not scare the birds. Seriously. Okay, the bird is, inside. Alright, so I will give you updates about the birds, about the nest and each and everything. Look at them, they are very friendly. I will neuter them as soon as possible, otherwise they'll be risky.